Right, so it's Daft Scots last again, and it's day 2 of the 30-day vlog challenge. And today's topic was something you ate today. Now, we went off to the shops this morning, and I decided to buy a strawberry sorbet, which was amazing. So I gulped that down, and then while we were at the shops, we came across these big ass bananas. Now, I don't think I've quite ever seen bananas this big before, so I just had to try them. And just to prove that they're not fake or wax or whatever, I'm going to actually take a bite of one so that you know that they're not fake. Quiet, I'm making a video here. So here I am peeling the banana. Oops. And that's hang on. That's the big ass banana that I'm talking about. Sorry, I didn't mean to say an ugly word. And now I'm going to take a big bite. What about? Yeah. Right, so, okay, you want a bite? Oh, there goes on the carpet. So, that was day 2 of the 30-day vlog challenge. And of course, the kids had to get in here somehow because I spent so much time making a video yesterday of that they wondered what the hell I was doing. So now they know what I'm doing. I'm making silly videos of us eating bananas and stuff. So enjoy day 2, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.